Ready to transform your videos from bland to brilliant with eye-catching, animated text. First, let's open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new sequence or open an existing project. Ensure you understand the resolution and frame rate settings now. Let's find our Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see it, go to Window then select Essential Graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, you'll see a new layer button. Use this. Then select Text. Our blank canvas should start with a text layer and a text box on the video panel to begin typing now. Click the text tool, the T icon. In the toolbar, click on your program monitor to create a text box. Type the text you want to animate. Use the Essential Graphics panel to customize your text. Adjust the font, style, size, and color. Play around with different fonts to find what suits your video's style. Experiment with the visual positioning of your text on the screen so it can flow well. Next, let's bring in some animation. Select our text layer on the timeline. Head over to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, look to the top panel or go to Window then select Effect Controls. Here, you'll create keyframes for our animation. Under the text section, let's start with a simple scale-up animation. Click the stopwatch icon beside scale. This creates the first keyframe. Move the timeline's playhead forward in time. Change the scale percentage to your desired size, e.g. 100% or bigger. Premiere Pro automatically adds a second keyframe, and you can now scale the text. Watch it animate. Now, try animating the position. This time select the stopwatch and place a keyframe. Then move your playhead to another point and place another keyframe, and change what you would like to animate. Now, watch your text move. Experiment, combine position, scale, and rotation for more complex animations. Consider adding effects like blur or drop shadows for polished looks. Replay your project and watch its transformation. That easy. With practice, you'll be crafting professional animated text in no time.